Welcome to another edition of Flex Rental Solutions how-to videos. Today we're going to be going over the ability to create a credit card processing fee in Flex. So we're going to start out with this example of a customer who has a rental for $100, and depending on their terms we can set the credit card fee. So right now if we say, oh, it's going to be net 30, there's no processing fee. If we change it to Amex, it will recalculate that processing fee at $3. So how did we configure this? First, we went to Financials, Fee Matrices. We created a new fee matrix. We gave it a processing fee, a code, and we wanted the basis to be the price adjusted total, which means give me the overall total price of the job, but don't include my fee in and of itself because we don't want to create an infinite recursion. Now, the way we figured out what to include in the price or how we calculate that is we're using no line item resource types, no resource types, but simply under payment terms. We went and selected a specific payment term, added a percentage. So you could have a specific percentage based on each different type of card you accepted, and hit add for each of these items and save them. Under projects, project elements, we're going to go to this customer calls it an estimate in their system. And under custom rows, we added a new row, gave it a unique code, called it credit card processing fee. The calculation method is a fee matrix, and this is the processing fee matrix that we selected. The result type is a pass-through, meaning this isn't an additional price that we can calculate profit on, and it's not an additional cost towards it. It's both, so we call it a pass-through. It's not going to be calculated in our profit margin. We told that this tax treatment is non-taxable. Transient calculation is no, because this is not for display purposes only. It will actually calculate this and apply it towards the total. We did set this specific one to be waivable, meaning that even if we select it as Amex, we could override that if we chose so. And we chose on this custom row to hide it if 0, meaning that if there is not a processing fee calculated, it would not print that total block row out to the end customer on their paperwork. We hit update and save changes immediately. And then we went to document view, working view, total block row, and we added the processing fee in the caption, chose the custom row, selected the fee, hit add, and then moved it appropriately, hit update, and save changes. To review, now, any total that we get in here, if we have a term set with a processing fee associated with it, it will auto-calculate this. Again, if we set this back to COD, it will not calculate that processing fee. If we put it back to Amex, it will calculate that fee. Again, this is overridable, so if we select in here and hit 0, we don't necessarily have to charge it. We can override that value. If we want to re-enable it, we can click and hit refresh, and it will again calculate its default value. I hope this helps explain how we can create credit card processing fees in the system. If you have any questions and need help setting these up in your system, please contact support at flexrentalsolutions.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.